Hello everyone, how are you? So today I'm going to show you that how to use ChatGPT. Most of the people nowadays don't know what is ChatGPT. They don't know what it does. They just know the name of this thing, ChatGPT. So today I'm going to show you that how you can use it. So let's start it. What you have to do is just search ChatGPT there. Okay, on the Google, go to this website chat.openai.com. Click on it. Now you have to log in if you are already a user. Otherwise, if you are a new user, you are trying it first time, then click on sign ups. Sign up with your email ID and then your phone number. Create your account with your email ID. It asks you for your name. After that, you have to log in with your email ID that you have provided here. I already have my email ID and passwords. That's why I'm going to just log in it. So this is the interface you will see there. Here it is written ChatGPT 3.5, which is free, and there is ChatGPT 4, which has more features than this ChatGPT 5. But sorry, ChatGPT 3.5. Now, how to use it? Here you can see brainstorm names. There are some examples that you can try. Planetary to experience Seoul like a local. I've already these things that I have searched here. Okay, so what anything that you want to search, anything you are thinking about, you want to write an email, you want to write an application, a letter, a job letter, or anything, introduction, interview introduction, or in which format you want it, you can say you want it in a table format, or you want it in a steps, or like a drama, you want to write a story about your name. You can do anything. Just type here. Okay, suppose I am going to write a job letter for software developer. Okay, I write it here. It's a normal prompt. The text we added here is called prompt. Okay, prompts are of different types. It is just a normal prompt. It gives you the normal way. By just example, if you add a good prompt, you will get the good result. Like give an example, say it like you are a professional letter writer, so please write me a letter about this, like example, give it as an example about something. So here you can see it writes a job letter. I'm writing to express my strong interest in the software developer position at this company as it advertised on this job on this company website, etc, etc. So sincerely your name. And you can also do it like, suppose I'm searching like CV versus resume. Full stop, write it in a table. Okay, write it in a table. Now you will see it creates a table for you and you can copy it. There is a copy option here. You can see, yes, when you can like it, dislike it, and copy option. It will copy and you can paste it somewhere where you want. Okay, here you can see it creates a table for you. Certainly, here's a comparison of CVs, curriculum vitae, and resume in a table: length, content, purpose, section, detail. Now, if you want something in a steps, write me the steps to download PowerPoint presentations. Just it's a normal font, okay? Normal prompt. Write me the steps to download PowerPoint presentation. To download the PowerPoint presentation, number one, open your web browser, navigate the website, log in, locate the presentation, select the presentation download option. Okay, it gives you the steps how to do it. Or if you want any one of step in a detail, you can just search it. Or if you are a programmer, then you can also get the code. Yes, you can also get the code from this website. Like, I want write me write me a python program. Oh, sorry for the wrong mistakes, I did it a lot. For a calculator. Okay, certain. The prompt I'm using here is very simple, very simple. I'm just saying that write it. For a good result, you have to say that as you are a professional Python expert, please write me this. If you have solved many solutions, many programs, create many programs, and this give me the all the details about your what you want, and then it will give you the best result. Here you can see it creates a add, def, add, subtract, multiply, divide, and while true, it creates a program, and you can copy this program. So I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, then share this video to others and let them know about this ChatGPT and how to use it. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.